My people, it be like say something they worry this Nigeria. As I gather, governments don't decide for us. Say in fact, the next president of Nigeria, if they come outside from the southern part. I surprised because I think say now we suppose vote. If we don't come go vote, if people come and say okay, I want turn president. If we, the Nigerian citizens, come go vote, okay, now this person we pick before they come decide say okay, now this person then go be president. But as it be like this, my dear Nigerian people, it means say that they plan this whole thing. This thing a pure setup. Nigeria a pure scam. They don't already arrange what won't happen say before they go decide this kind. Not be me they talk this one because people go they think say I just go gather one kind of information. Not be me talk this one. Now the chairman of the Southern Governors Forum, where his name now Rotimi Akoredolu, I mean what they call him. Now I talk this kind one. When they go do one kind close meeting inside Lausa for Lagos State, my people I beg, make now follow me watch.
Coordinator of the forum, Governor of Ondo State, read the communique. One of the resolution was the rotation of presidency between the North and the South, and the next president in 2023 must come from the Southern region.
The forum reiterates its commitment to the policies of equity, fairness, and unanimously agreed that the presidency of Nigeria be rotated between Southern and Northern Nigeria, and resolve that the next president of Nigeria should emerge from the South.
The governors also set 1st of September 2021 as a deadline for the promulgation of anti-open grazing law among all states in the region.
The forum set a timeline of Wednesday, the 1st of September 2021 for the promulgation of the anti-grazing law in all its member states. Anti-open grazing law.
This one where Governor Wike focus inside this book like this. It be like saying no even want make this man do any mistake. In one day shall say this man they read in toto for in toto. May no go talk something be say they never even plan talk. But I beg go, since when I start to make all this kind of decision? In fact, wait, I watch this video where I just say COVID-19 day. Now people gather like sardine. In fact, common nose mask they nowhere. Everybody just stand there like Paco. They face the two way they never move. Later they go talk say lockdown day, this one day. In which them, and they see them gather themselves. They never even cover nose, do anything. if I talk say this whole thing, na lie, people go think I just the former. Now all this governor people have been I don't even know it's na one call. Promise when I promise us the change. On a turn them, on a change and to rechange. Now don't do anything about them. And I won't come bring another one. We never even settle this one. I don't think of 2023. I want to tell sure say now we even enter. When we say I don't plan say in a southern part won't collect this thing. He don't show say this politics, in fact, na game of interest. Everything where they, in fact, everything they do, they plan. They don't even care about anybody. If you like, get your PVC. If you like, no get them. Person will go be president. In fact, they don't already know. Before that 2023 stuff, they don't even write the person plan down for that. Which kind of country can be this one? Later now they go come with their lies. Say they go build train where go they fly inside air. They go do this one where before you go see one thing and no go see. Now when they talk say on I promise this one later they come talk and say the promise where they promise no be that kind of promise now we they overthink. On they see all these government people. On they see their plan. Because it means that our votes no even count. If you like, go there, go vote 20 times. Everything, it just they go to waste. The paper said that they go wash and throw for one place. They know they look at all these things. It means in Nigeria, na tribalistic nation we do. Because first, Jonathan come, Igbo side. Buhari dey na Igbo, Hausa. Now they won't bring Yoruba person come. Why be say they no go just pick person? Be say on a few say the person dey right. Even if the person are from Calabar. Make I just assess, okay, this person, he get the interest of everybody, including Yoruba, Hausa. Make him work one-on-one with all these 3 tribes. Not the person will be saying, I go to visit and say, he like one kind state, pass one kind state. Now I won't come bring us, now I won't come turn president. Nigeria people, when they see what they happen inside this Nigeria, where would they be? Last, maybe they will even still share this country. Maybe Igbo, they go get their own president. Yoruba self go get, because the way the country done, they turn inside now, and even they understand. My people, I hear this one. I can't make I bring and come inside. Make na service na here. Here waiting they happen. Anything when I feel, make na not forget to write them for the comment section. Make na not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you on for our next video.